Hey teachers, so we are now in NCOY indicator number 4.4.3. So this one is both available or could be presented either you are applying for MT1 or MT2. So this video is the continuation of the previous one. So kung napanood niyo po yung nauna kanina, yung NCOY 1.2.3. So ito po yung kasunod. So pakihanap na lang po dyan or kaka-upload ko lang nauna lang po bago po itong video. So for this one, magkapakita po tayo ng sample MOVs and kung ano ba yung mga NCOY na nandito sa 4.4.3. Okay. So here is the portfolio assessment form. Tapos na po yung 1.2.3. So ngayon naman po, itong mapakita ko ngayon, yung next objective or indicator, yung naka-red, 4.4.3. So dito po, the MOVs needed is LAC session minutes, documentation, approved LAC plan, lesson study reports, learner feedback forms and summary, or peer coaching or observation notes. The description of this MOV is this one. This is a suggested or the suggested description. You can always have your own. Kasi po, kapag kayo ay nasa actual assessment na po, itong area for the description of MOV is blank. Kayo po ang maglalagay. Then, the fourth column, ito naman po yung sa annotation. So, simple lang po, this should be aligned with the indicator. So, dito po sa baba yung additional description. So, pakibasa na lang po yan and i-check. Okay? So, ito pong nasa baba, yan naman po yung sa iba pang mga indicator and i-discuss natin yan sa next video. So, let's move on sa mga MOVs. So, these MOVs are suggested MOVs or it's up to you if whether you want to adapt this or modify. Sample lang naman po ito. So, una po is MOV number 1, narrative report. So, as MT, one of the things that we can do is being the demonstration teacher during a lesson study. And from this, it satisfies the objective wherein it tells about review with colleagues or teacher and learner feedback to plan facilitated enriched teaching practice. Okay, so yan. Sample po. Then we have here a picture of the demo teaching if you have. So in that way, there is the achieving of the indicator wherein after that lesson study, you have the chance now with your colleagues to review and facilitate to enrich teaching practice. So that is how you're going to do that. Then after that, after the minutes, you can also have here the other MOV, collection and analysis of learner feedback. So since there is a demonstration, so you can ask a learner feedback form from your learners. So this one is the highlighted one. And this is an example of learner feedback form na ginamit po natin. And of course, you can have this too if you want. Yan. So ito po yung gagawin ng mga bata. Fill out nila yan as a feedback form. Then MOV number 3, peer coaching and observation notes. So this one naman po is coming from the observer. So typically it is our principal following the STAR approach. So if you have this, you can just attach. Okay. Then MOV number 4. So this is an example of an FGD, or if you have focus group discussions, wherein one of the objective there that was mentioned or tackled is all about the improvement of teaching strategies, which is one of the topics to be discussed. Now, as a master teacher, if ever you were the one who should facilitate and collaborate with your colleagues. So there is also another narrative about the FGD conducted, which you can also utilize. And another supporting document is, of course, there should be the attendance. So, kayo na lang po maglalagay dyan, i-attach na lang po. This could be prepared by the faculty secretary, or if you, as the master teacher, if you are the one who prepared it, pwede rin po. So, these are the sample MOVs that you can include. So, I hope nakakatulong po tayo. You can just pause this video if ever you want to focus on something that was presented. Okay, so I hope this one helps you. So again, this is indicator 4.4.3.